Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off VRR, variable refresh rate on PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Under settings, go down. Select screen and video. Then go to video output. Under video output, here we can find VRR. You can see right now VRR is off. Let me enable. Select VRR. Here we can see two options, off or automatic. Let me select automatic. See, it says your TV does not support VRR. So let me check the capability of this TV. Go to top. Select information for the connected HDMI device. Select it. Here we can find the capability of this TV. In this resolution you can see VRR not supported. Let me go to next resolution. Here also not supported. Go to the next one. See, not supported. We can also check TV. Go to TV, then check TV settings. If TV has an option to enable or disable VRR, then enable it. Then come here, then you can verify. Okay, after enabling VRR on TV, you can come back, then go to VRR. Here we can enable VRR. So this way we can turn on or off VRR. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.